Scríbhneoireacht go fáil míle Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1 topic a ceathair Rannóg tá brón orm ag díriú bheith scríobh. Level A1 topic 14 section 10 I'm sorry, focusing on writing. Le múna am a chochrú áit a chochrú agus aon tú leis an socrú sin. No, an socrú a dhéanamh. Arranging a time, arranging a place, and agreeing to that arrangement or confirming the arrangement. Beag an bhilneog atá brón orm uait an chníomhaíoch seo. You'll need the handout I'm sorry for this activity. There's a link in the description box below to the handouts and the notes for the lesson. Tá brón orm, I'm sorry. Seo riamhos a scríobh Katrina chuig Peadar. This is an email Katrina wrote to Peadar or Peter. Scríobh focal amháin atá iarúnach I ngach barna. Write one word that is suitable in each gap or each blank space. Gur Gaeilge an bhóclóir se a leanas dús. So translate the following vocabulary into Irish first. Thank you, invitation, cough, free, in the office, August, playing music, I hope, weekend. Agus inis na feagraí. Thank you, go raibh maith agat. An invitation, cuireadh. Cough, casacht. Free, sléir. In the office, sanific. August, lúnasa. Playing music, ag shanam. I hope, tá súlagam. The weekend, deara seachtaine. Inis, lé an riamhos a scríobh Katrina chuig Peadar. Read the email Katrina wrote to Peadar. Scríobh focal amháin atá iarúnach I ngach darna. Write one appropriate word in each blank space. Ná bí buartha má na dtuigeann tú gach rud sa text. Don't be worried if you don't understand everything in the email. Is féidir leat bhuaile faoi thuairim a thabhairt faoin gcéal atá le rudaí a bhfuil deacrachtaí acu leat. You can guess the meaning of them based on the context with anything that you have difficulty with. Now pause the video while you read through the email and jot down your answers. And now we'll go through the answers. A father, dear Peter, go raibh maith agat as an chuireadh chuig an sesiún oíche amárach. Thank you for the invitation to the session tomorrow night. Tá mé buartha ach ní bheidh me saor. I'm sorry, but I won't be free. Tá sláidán agus casachtach orm le seachtain. I have a cold and a cough for a week now. So slide on, salúbha means flexible. So this obviously you could have other words in here like tá tinnis cín orm, up to you. Tá mé fósaigh obair gach lá mar tá mé anghonóthach sanific. I'm still working every day because I'm very busy in the office. Scéal fada. Tá Siobhan atá ag obair lam an seo sanific teen. It's a long story. Siobhan, who works with me here in the office, is sick. Hit she nor bhí she ag immert le dóige. She fell when she was playing tennis. Ghortaigh nó bhris she a chos agus tá she san ospidéal inis. She hurt or she broke her leg and she's in the hospital now. And again, this is flexible. You could use Oherlin, the clinic, Laba, the bed, inis. Ní bheidh cormac sléir amárach ach an oiread mar beidh tréanáil soccer aige tránóna. Cormac won't be free tomorrow either because he has soccer training in the afternoon. Beidh cluiche tábhachtach aige in Gaeilge dé Sahairn. He will have an important game in Galway on Saturday. Beidh mrucha frúr áine sa bhaile ag tuairt aire do na páistí go dtí leathaní go hocht agus an sin beidh si ag dul go dtí an fictúirlinn le cáirde. My sister Anya will be at home looking after the children until 8:30, and then she will go to the cinema with friends. Again, fictúirlinn could be flexible. You could say she could go out for a meal, go dtí an bhíolann, up to you. Hav me leiscéal a rís faoi seo. Sorry again about this. A meid tú saoir an séú lá de Lúnasa. Will you be free on the 6th of August? Again, on séú lá de Lúnasa, this is flexible. You could put in on tochtú lá, on tríú lá, totally up to you. Beidh mé féin, Cormac agus cúpla cara ag dul chuig ceolchuirm san Olympia. Me, Cormac, and a few friends will be going to a concert in the Olympia. An grúpa Alton a bheith ag Shannon. Alton will be playing. Bhaile leat dul linn. Would you like to go with us? Is má leat an grúpa sin nach má? You like that group, don't you? Tarlin, come with us. Tá ticéad breise agam. I have an extra ticket. Tá sóig an ceolchuirm a hocht ach búlthaimid le chéile a sé sa bhíolann in aice leis an Olympia, beidh dinéir agus cúpla diachachain roimh ré. So the concert will start at 8, but we will meet at 6 in the restaurant near the Olympia. We will have dinner and a few drinks beforehand. Tá súil agam go mbeidh tú ábalta teacht. I hope you will be able to come. Chuirfeadh mé gléach ort ag an deire seachtaine, Katrina. I'll call you at the weekend, Katrina. Agus inis lay an riamh-phost amach líne líne, and now read the email out line by line. Cuir líne faoi na bríomhara éagsúla agus scríbh aimsir na bríomhara in aice leo. Underline the different verbs and write the tenses of the verbs next to them. MO, don bhó ordathach. MO for the imperative mood. AC, don aimsir chatte. AC for the past tense. AL, don aimsir lárach. AL for the present tense. Agus AF don aimsir áisteanach, and AF for the future tense. Agus inis na bríomhara, and now the verbs underlined. So a feather gur maithagad as an chur chuig an sesiún san ise an maireach. Tá me buartha ach ní bheidh meag saoir. So tá an aimsir láireach, ní bheidh an aimsir áisteanach. Tá sláidán agus casachta orm le seachtain, tá again san aimsir láireach. Tá mé fós ag obair gach lá mar tá mé anghnóthach san ifig. Again, tá san aimsir láireach. Scéal fada tá siobhán atá ag obair liom anseo sin ifig. So again, tá all in the aimsir láireach, the present tense, except for ní bheidh an aimsir áisteanach. Hit she nó a bhí si ag immert le dóige. So hit she, aimsir chaite, past tense. Bhí si, aimsir chaite, past tense. A chuirfig si a cos agus tá si san ospidéal anois. Chuirfig, aimsir chaite, past tense. Tá si san ospidéal anois, present tense. Ní bheidh cormach saor amórach ach an irid, mar bheidh tréáil sacr aige trónóna. Ní bheidh agus bheidh san aimsir áisteanach, future tense. Bheidh cluiche tábhachtach aige i ngáilimh dé Saturn. So again, aimsir áisteanach, bheidh. Bheidh again, má rifúr áine sa bhaile ag tuairt aird an apóistí go dtí leithanaí go hocht agus an sin bheidh si ag dul go dtí an fictúrlan le cáirde. So bheidh aimsir áisteanach, future tense. We have it several times here, both in the negative ní bheidh and the affirmative bheidh. Gabh me leis scéal arís faoi seo, gabh má ordachach, the imperative mood. An meid tú saor an séú lá de lúnasa, will you be free, the future tense. Bheidh mé féin, cormach agus cúpla cara, ag dul chuig ceolcurm san Olympia. Bheidh aimsir áisteanach, future tense. An grúpa altan a bheidh ann, or a bheidh ag seanam, again, a bheidh ag seanam, aimsir áisteanach. Ar bhá leat dá linn, is má leat an grúpa sin nach má. Tar linn mó ordachach. Tá ticéad breise agam, aimsir láireach. Tá sóí an ceolcurm ag a hocht, ach búlthaimid le chéile ar a sé sa bhíolann in aice leis an Olympia. Bheidh den éire agus cúpla deach roinn ribh ré. Tá sóí, aimsir áisteanach, búlthaimid, aimsir áisteanach, agus bheidh, aimsir áisteanach, all the future tense. Tá súlagam go mbeidh tú ábalta teach, tá again, aimsir láireach. Cuirthigh mé gléach ort ag an deireadh seachtaine, I will call you at the weekend, aimsir áisteanach. Agus sin é. Agus inis liste den na bríomhara, and now a list of the verbs sa bhó ordachach. We have gá, tar, aimsir chaite, we have hit, bhí, chuirfig, aimsir láireach, we had tá. In the aimsir áisteanach, we had bheidh, ní bheidh, an meidh, tá sóí, cuirthigh, and búlthaimid. And now, Déanamh na bríomhara éagsúla a chur in Abertí nua nó ceistena a chuma astú. And now try to put the different verbs in new sentences or create questions with them. Beag an bhfuilteog féilte na Gaeilge uat an Scríbhneoireacht seo. You'll need a handout, Irish festivals for this activity. Féilte na Gaeilge, Irish language festivals. Lé na fógraí seo a leanús. Read the following announcements. Is frógraí iad déalta móra na Gaeilge, ach níl na sonraí ar fad iontu. They are advertisements for the major Irish language festivals, but they do not contain all the details. Tá cuid de na sonraí in Asnamh ar de bhilóg, agus tá sonraí in Asnamh ar bhilóg de Fortnera. Your sheet is missing some of the information, and your partner's sheet is missing some of the information. Léanagaí isteach an tolas ar fád na fógraí le chéile. Fill in the information on the announcements together. Is trí cheistena a chur ar chéile a léanfaidh tú na barnaí ar bhur milóga. It's by asking each other questions that you will fill in the missing information. Féach na fógraí feadh nó méid nó ghó, agus an sin scríobh amach na ceistena a bheith agat chun an taisc a chur agréoch. So look at the ads for a few minutes and then write down the questions that you will need to complete the task. Mar shampla, for example, Cathain a bheith, when will something be going on? Cén táim a thosaíonn, or cén táim a thosaigh, what time will something start, or what time does it start? Cén áit a mbeidh, where will something be? Agus na féilte and the festivals, Oireachtas na Gaeilge, Oireachtas na Samhna. So this is the Gaelic League annual festival, also known as the November Oireachtas. Scoil Merriman, Scoil an Thabhairt. So Scoil Merriman is Merriman's school, the summer school. Seachtain na Gaeilge, Irish Week. It's an Irish language week held in the beginning of March every year. Céilí Mór, the big Céilí. Agus níos freagraí é, Oireachtas na Gaeilge, Cathain a bheith Oireachtas na Samhna, cén áit a mbeidh Oireachtas na Samhna, and then Scoil Merriman, cén táim a thosaíonn Scoil Merriman, cén áit a mbeidh Scoil Merriman, and Seachtain na Gaeilge, den Céilí Mór, cén táim a thosaíonn an Céilí Mór, cén áit a mbeidh an Céilí Mór. Agus siad na freagraí scríte isteag ann, and here we have the answers written inside. Oireachtas na Gaeilge, an chéad go dtí an tríú lá de Samhain, ag tosú ar an é I gCill Áireanna cúnta Ciarí. Scoil Merriman, ag tosú ar 10 chlog ar maidin, I listún bhearna cúnta an chlár. Seachtain na Gaeilge, an Céilí Mór, an 7 lá de Márta, ag tosú ar a 8 chlog I Mánuad cúnta Childare. Agus freagraí B, na ceistena ar dús, the questions first, Oireachtas na Gaeilge. Cén táim a thosaíonn Oireachtas na Samhna, nó Oireachtas na Gaeilge? Cén áit a mbeidh Oireachtas na Samhna? Scoil Merriman, Cathain a bheidh Scoil Merriman. Cén áit a mbeidh Scoil Merriman? Seachtain na Gaeilge, an Céilí Mór. Cathain a bheidh an Céilí Mór. Cén áit a mbeidh an Céilí Mór. Agus na freagraí, na frógraí, and the answers in the announcements. Oireachtas na Gaeilge, ag tosú ar an 9 chlog ar maidin, I gCill Áireanna cúnta Chiarí. Scoil Merriman, an 14 go dtí an 8 lá déag de mí Lúnasa, I listún bhearna cúnta an chlár. Agus Seachtain na Gaeilge, Céilí Mór, an 7 lá de Márta, I Mánuad cúnta Childare. Agus an éis beagán ólas faoi na féilte. And now a little information about the different festivals. Oireachtas na Gaeilge, Oireachtas na Samhna. So Oireachtas is often just refers to as the Oireachtas, is the Gaelic League's annual festival. Tá Oireachtas na Gaeilge táiminte ar na helíne dúchasacha agus ar nuala tríocht na Gaeilge a chur chun cinn. The Gaelic League annual festival is committed to promoting the native arts and modern literature in the Irish language. Agrian an Oireachtas réan leathananta imachtaí I rit na bliana chun céiliúra a dhéanamh orthu seo. Ina measc comórtais litirtha an Oireachtas, gradam chumarsáide an Oireachtas, agus Oireachtas na Samhna, príomh éile bhliain túil de chuid na nGael. So the Oireachtas organizes a wide range of events throughout the year to celebrate these, including the Oireachtas literary competitions, the Oireachtas Communications Awards, and Oireachtas na Samhna, the main annual festival of the Gaelic League. Bíonn comórtais ordáin sa rinca éonar agus san amhránaíocht ar an seanós, aga le bhirte, lúbíní, scéalaíocht, uirlisí ceol, éagsúla agus eile mar a chuid den éile, mar aon le chomhdhálacha, taspántais, drámaí agus imeachtaí sóisialta eile. Stage competitions in solo dance and old-fashioned singing. Agala Berta, a form of Irish language spoken poetry with two people, wherein two people recite a dialogue in verse, humorous song duets, storytelling, various musical instruments, and more are part of the festival, along with conferences, exhibitions, plays, and other social events. Seachtain na Gaeilge, an Céilí Mór. Is féile idirnáisiúnta Gaeilge í Seachtain na Gaeilge, atá ar an gealúra is mó dar deanga agus dar gcultúr dúchais. So Seachtain na Gaeilge, or Irish Week, is an international Irish language festival which is the biggest celebration of our native language and culture. Tugann an éile deis de gach uile rinne solta bhaint as an Gaeilge, idir chaintóirí dúchais, Álamóirí agus lucht an chúpla fochail a réin, trí éilire, imeachtaí, siamsúla agus spríúla a chur ar fáil do gach cineál sime agus gach grúpa. So the festival gives everyone the opportunity to enjoy the Irish language, including native speakers, learners, and those with a few words, the cúpla fochail, by providing a calendar of entertaining and fun events for all types of interest and all age groups. Is grúpaí deonacha agus pobal, chorlaí áitiúla, scoileanna, leabharlanna, agus agrais cheol, sport, alíonn agus chultúrtha a eagraíonn imeachtaí ina gceantar féin do Seachtain na Gaeilge. Voluntary and community groups, local councils, schools, libraries, and music, sports, arts, and cultural organizations organize events in their own areas for Seachtain na Gaeilge. Scoil Merriman, Scoil an Thabhairt, so Merriman Irish language school. Scoil háiseannach is se an Scoil Saoirigh. The summer school is a bilingual school. Bíonn fáilte roimh gach aine agus cé gur bé an béarla príomhtheanga na scoile, bíonn seminar agus roinnt léachtaí ar fáil in Gaeilge leis. Everyone is welcome, and although English is the main language of the school, seminars and some lectures are also available in Irish. Marann sí ar feadh seachtaine, it lasts for a week. Spragan na haine agus an anamna chrí na scoile. Bíodh sé I bhfoirm diaspóireachta, léachtaí, siúlóide, amhránaíochta, ceardlann nó riancha. Stimulating the mind and soul is the heart of the school, be it in the form of debates, lectures, walks, singing, workshops, or dance. Cuir ceisna na orm faoin na féilte thuas. Ask me questions about the festivals above. Déanamh na ceistena a chur as Gaeilge. Make an effort to ask the questions in Irish. Conas a deartha, what is it, where is it, and why? How do you say, what is it, where is it, and why? Put your questions in the description box below. Ag an bhillióg, féilte na Gaeilge ar lean uait an gníomhaíocht seo, you'll need a handout, Irish Language Festivals Continued, for this activity. Féilte na Gaeilge ar lean, Irish Language Festivals Continued. Anois, scríbhneoireacht garad chuig de fortnéir ag tuairt cuirí dó freastal ar Oireachtas na Gaeilge nó Scoil Merriman Lap. And now write a short email to your partner inviting him to attend the Oireachtas or Scoil Merriman with you. Louis na pointí se a leanas, mention the following points: na dátaí, an áit, an town, the dates, the place, and the time. Féach an riamhphost a scríobh Katrina mar chróir. Look at the email that Katrina wrote for guidance. Come seoltaí riamhphoist as Gaeilge chomh maith. Create email addresses in Irish also. Anois, má tá páirtnéir agat le do chur amach dó nó di, agus léigh sé nó sí a chur amach dit. Now, if you have a partner, read your invitation out to him or her, and he or she will read out your invitation to you. Diúltóig an beirteagaibh an chur a thugann de pháirtnéirí dit, agus gabhaigh sibh a leithscéalta trí úsáid a bhaint as tá brón orm agus aráile. Both of you will decline the invitation given to you by your partners, and you'll apologize using tá brón orm, etc. Agus sin deire le Rannóg tá brón orm, le múna am a chochrú, áit a chochrú, agus aon tú leis an socrú sin, nó an socrú a dhéanú. And that's the end of section 10. I'm sorry. Arranging a time, arranging a place, agreeing to an arrangement, or confirming an arrangement. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na cuisle, suíomh lúscartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacintha.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas the Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh Déanamh as. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.